Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be showing you another video of how to use the Excel sheets that are available on the website. And the Excel sheet that we'll be dealing with today is to price options written on interest rates using the binomial model. The binomial model is one of the common models that could be used to price options. The reading is relevant to basically level 2 candidates, so you'll find this material and the Excel sheets under level 2 on the website. In order to price an option using an option written on interest rate, we need to first of all stimulate a path for interest rate. So as you can see over here, this is one example of a tree that shows the possible 1 period interest rate. So it shows you basically that for the first year interest rate will be 5.16, and at the end of the year interest rate either would go up to 4.57 or would go down to 4.39. And then in 2 periods it would either go up from the upper stage or it would go down from the upper stage and move on. The interesting thing about this model, about the option pricing model for interest rate, is that assume that the probability of up and down movement is 0.5, so we don't need to specify any probability here. And the difference between this and the binomial option pricing model on stock and fixed income, if you have encountered those before, is that the payoff of interest rate options are based on the difference between the interest rate and the exercise rate. When the option expires, however, the payoff doesn't occur for one additional period. Thus, we always have to discount the intrinsic value at expiration by 1 period interest rate. In order to understand in detail how to price options on interest rate, you should probably check the website, the reading that's posted on the website, and the link to it is available below the video. For now, let's look at this example in order to see how to use the Excel sheets in solving these questions. So the diagram below represents the 2-period binomial tree containing the 1-period interest rate and the prices of 0 coupon bonds. So those are the numbers between brackets are the prices for 0 coupon bonds. Those are going to be more relevant when we are pricing options on fixed income, but when we are pricing options on interest rate, those are irrelevant in our analysis. So what we are focusing on are those interest rate. This is the interest rate tree, or the interest rate path, and we are trying to find the price of a European put option expiring at time 2 with an exercise price of 6%, and the underlying is the 1 period rate. So if we go to the Excel sheet that's available on the website, and again you should always enable the content in order to be able to view it because it's macro enabled. And it gives us up to a maximum of 4 periods. Again, as I always say, these videos are made for CFA candidates, for people who are preparing for the CFA exams, and those are designed for that purpose. Therefore, since you will not encounter any case in which you will have more than 4 periods in the books, we have limited our design of the Excel sheet to a maximum of 4 periods. So if we click it over here, and we have the strike rate to be 6%, it's already formatted as a percent, so you just enter 6, and then you choose the option to be a put, and then you choose the number of periods that we are having here is 2 periods. All that you'll have to do here is to enter the interest rate path on the yellow cells, so 5.13, 6.4, 4.29, 8.58, if I remember that carefully, 5.9, 3.28. I guess those were the numbers. So as you can see over here, the interest rate put price is 0.0064, and this is the option binomial tree. So this is the option payoff at each point in time, or this basically the payoff over here, and this is the value for it over here. That's pretty much it about the interest rate option pricing. If you have any questions, please make sure to email me on my website, on the email that's available on the website, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel, to follow the blog in order to get notified about each new post, and to follow us on the social networks, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, in order to be able to participate in the daily CFA trivia. Thanks a lot for listening, and goodbye.